Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the low mileage 2013 Kia Optima LX, stock number Z9747XXA. Only 47,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, ebony black in color. The Optima is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Spacious trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. Split seat back folds down with the pull of a handle. Rubber mat, removable for easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LX has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors. Gauges, again, only 46,000 miles. Steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control, easy to operate radio and CD player, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming, easy to operate heating and air conditioning, USB and auxiliary input, allows you to connect media devices. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Optima has a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder, 200 horsepower. There we go. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average of 24 miles to the gallon and a city average of 35 on the highway. And approximately 40% of tire tread left. For more information on this Optima, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.